Hey tartelettes, it's Deanna and I am here in the beautiful Hawaii in Maui, and I am going to show you guys a quick look using our Shape Your Money Maker palette, and I'm also going to do my brows with our new Busy Gal brow. So first I'm going to fill in these brows using our new Busy Gal brow, and I'm in the shade Taupe, and I am obsessed with this lately because it just gives me really full looking brows, and as you can see my brows are very light and they are kind of sparse, so this really picks up all the little hairs. If you guys can see, there's this little tiny wand, and this picks up every little hair but then also tints them, so it not only shapes them, it also holds them in place and it gives them a subtle hint of color, which I love. I'm just going to apply right now and show you guys what it looks like. And it's so foolproof. It's great for on the go. Look at that brow. Look at that before and after. And you guys just saw how easy that was. I love this. Now I'm gonna just prime my lids with our new Shape Tape Eye Primer. And this will just make sure that my shadow stays in place all night long because we're going to a luau tonight. It's just going to also cancel out any discoloration that I have on my eyelids. I have kind of veiny eyelids, so this is just going to cancel all of that out and just give me a nice clean base for my shadow. Alright, so I'm going to do a nice bronzy look. I'm going to go all over the lid and in my crease with the shade Trainer right here. And then I'm going to do Snatched all over the lid. Then I'm also going to take some of this Tone Up and Reps and put that in the outer corner, and then put some Cut in the inner corner. Look, I'm just going to pop on some lashes. I'm going to use our Girl Boss lashes. These are one of my favorite pairs. Alright, so the key with lashes, this is something that Jen actually taught me, is that when you put the glue on them, let the glue dry. That is like the main thing you should do. And then it'll just make it more tacky and it'll make it go on so much easier. It's on. One on. One down, one to go. Oh, that one was actually easier than the first. Now they're both on. Here is the final look using our Shape Your Money Maker palette, and then I popped on some Girl Boss lashes. But if you guys have this palette and you've used it, let me know in the comments down below, and let me know if there's any other looks you guys would like to see. But let's go to the luau. Special guest here. Look at this beautiful princess with a flower in her hair.
I'm staying in Hawaii. I belong here. I found my new home.
What eyeshadow are you wearing?
Parka Princess Chrome Paint.
Ooh.
Love it.
Yeah. We're gonna head to the luau and I'll just bring you along for a little bit. Just a little bit.
Just a tiny bit.
Bye guys.
Bye.
So we just got to the luau. I'm gonna show you guys around. It's so pretty here. Look at that.